Good morning, students. In this video, we will study about the Froth flotation method. So this method is based on the two opposite properties, that is hydrophilic and hydrophobic of the particles. So children, what happens in hydrophobic? Here, the particles of the metal sulfides, due to hydrophobic property, it get weighted mainly with oil. म्हणजे जे पार्टिकल्स असतात हायड्रोफोबिक प्रॉपर्टीमध्ये मेटलचे पार्टिकल्स ते ऑइलमुळे वेट होतात. अँड अपोजिट टू दॅट इन हायड्रोफिलिक प्रॉपर्टी द गँग पार्टिकल्स गेट वेटेड विथ वॉटर. सी इन हायड्रोफोबिक इट गेट वेटेड विथ oil and in hydrophilic it gets weighted with water. By using these properties, certain ores are concentrated by froth flotation process. So see children, you can see here it is given in your textbook figure 8.11. In this method what happened, the finely ground ore is put in a big tank in ample amount of water. म्हणजे ओर जे असते ते sufficient amount of water मध्ये मिक्स केलं जातं. Then certain vegetable oil such as pine oil or eucalyptus oil is added. म्हणजे ओर, वॉटर आणि कोणतेही एका प्रकारचं ऑइल त्याच्यामध्ये ॲड केलं जातं. कशाकरता? जेणेकरून त्याचं फ्रोथ फॉर्म आहे. फ्रोथ म्हणजे फेस. देर इज एन एजिटेटर ऑल्सो रोटेटिंग अराउंड इट एक्सिस. सी इट इज शोन इन युअर टेक्स्टबुक 8.11. एजिटेटर इज शोन. एजिटेटर म्हणजे त्याचं गोल फिरते, त्यामुळे फेस तयार होतं. जसं आपण मिक्सरमध्ये आपलं मिक्सरचं जे आतलं भांडं असतं, आतलं जे हे असतं साचा, तो कसा गोल फिरतो त्याचप्रमाणे एजिटेटरसुद्धा गोल फिरतं आणि त्याने फेस तयार होते आणि ते इट इज यूज्ड ॲज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट. देन बबल्स आर फॉर्म्ड ड्यू टू द ब्लोन एअर and the air is supplied also. See, air supply is given, so because of that the bubble are formed. So what happened due to agitation? If foam is formed, how it is formed? It is formed from oil, water and air bubbles together due to agitating. Then what happens? This foam comes to the upper surface of water and floats. हा जो फोम असतो हा पाण्याच्या वर येतो आणि फ्लोट होतो. That is why this method is called froth flotation method. Then particles of certain sulfide, they float on water in the form of foam as they preferentially get weighted by the oil. So which are these which we are using? Which are these ores where we are using the froth flotation method? This method is used for the concentration of zinc blende and copper pyrite. This is the fourth method which we have seen till now. Now fifth one is leaching. So what is that leaching? In the first step is the extraction of the metals. This process is used for the extraction of metals, aluminium, gold and silver from their ores by this method, by the method of leaching. In this method what happens, the ore is soaked in a certain solution. म्हणजे ओर जे आहे ते सर्टन एका सोल्युशनमध्ये टाकलं जातं. Then ore dissolves in that solution due to specific chemical reaction. So what happens? Ore gets dissolved in the solution due to some reaction. But the gang, it does not react with solution and therefore does not dissolve in that solution. So it can be separated. म्हणजे ओर जे आहे ते सोल्युशनमध्ये डिझॉल्व्ह होतं आणि त्याच्यामुळे रिॲक्शन होतं म्हणून डिझॉल्व्ह होतं. पण गँग जे आहे त्याचं रिॲक्शन होत नाही सोल्युशनमध्ये आणि त्यामुळे ते डिझॉल्व्ह होत नाही आणि म्हणून गँगला ओरपासून सेपरेट करता येते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ बॉक्साईट, द ॲल्युमिनियम ओर इज डन बाय दिस मेथड. हिअर बॉक्साईट इज सोक्ड इन aqueous NaOH or aqueous Na2CO3 which dissolves the main ingredient alumina in it. Then during the extraction of metals from their ores, metal is obtained from the cation of metals. During the extraction, how the metal is obtained? From the cation. In this process, the metal cation is to be reduced. And how to bring out the reduction depends upon the reactivity of the metals. And this we have already learned about the reactivity series of metals. Then see children, you can see here pink color box. Do you know? Water does not stick to colocasia leaves. Colocasia means धोप्याची पानं or अरबी की पत्ती we say. That green color big leaves are there which we are using also for eating. So here water does not stick to colocasia leaves Similarly, water does not stick to wax because it is somewhat oily. On the other hand, what happens? Common salt or soap, they stick to water, that is, they get wetted by water. Okay, so in the next video we will study about the extraction of metals.